How to confirm bank account on PayPal. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can confirm your bank account on PayPal, so please watch till the end to properly understand the video. And don't forget, you're going to find the website and sign up links of PayPal in the description of this video. So basically by now I'm going to log in into my account in order to continue with this process. And here, as you can see, you can add a card or a bank. So I'm going to add a bank. I have two different accounts. You have to link a bank account and fill all these data: the bank name, SWIFT code, the account number, your ID, and the type of it, because there are different IDs depending on the country you belong, your phone number, the billing address, and at last you can link your bank. You can link also a bank account from a different country. In my case, in Colombia, we can link a United States bank instead. Okay, so basically, if any of your data is incorrect, there's no way for you to link your bank account into your PayPal, and probably there's going to be a movement between your PayPal and your bank account. So in my country, they like make a transaction of $1 and go back. Okay, you're going to make that money again into your bank account. But just in order to confirm your bank account, there's going to be a movement, a transfer. And that's it. If you don't have that movement into your bank account, probably you have a mistake or an issue in the data that I showed you, and you must repeat all the process to link your bank account. And that's it. That's how you can confirm your bank account on PayPal. Thanks for watching.